This is the AEG Brushless 18V 4 AH line trimmer. We have the charger. This is the battery. For AH 18V battery. Handle, menu, the handle end, and where you would attach the battery. So this bit, which is the guard extension. That's the contents of the box. So when you have it roughly in the position that you require, it's just a matter of tightening it up. So connecting the end shaft. There's a matching hole that you need to line it up with. Just clicks in. And then it's just a matter of tightening it up with this knob. So the guard extension actually has a little blade which cuts the line off of the trimmer. The standard guard also has a blade here. So the guard extension just needs to be screwed down into place. That's the line trimmer assembly, adding the front handle, adding the lower shaft, and then adding the guard extension piece here. So the battery just clicks into place. To extend the line out, it's just a matter of pushing down on this button on the bumper head. So then the line can be extended, or if you need to wind the line in a bit, it's just turning the bumper head button slightly and then it is wound in. So But then you make sure that you have the lines lined up once you've want it to stop. Overall, I'm quite happy with this AEG line trimmer. It's quite easy to start just by pulling the two triggers. It's easy to change between the two speed settings, the slower setting of 1 and the faster setting of 2. And I find it's quite well balanced in the hand when you have the battery back on, so it's quite easy to hold. For me, with this 4AH battery, I use approximately about half of it to trim along the edge of my backyard and front yard. I think the outside perimeter around my front yard and rear yard might be about 150 meters in length, so that took roughly about half the battery.